Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about trigonometry. So we need to prove that this one equals this one. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to concentrate about cosine x over 1 minus sine x. So in this situation, we need to multiply with 1 plus sine x on numerator and denominator. Next, we have a minus b multiplied with a plus b. We will got about a square minus b square. So that is similar for this one. So we will got about 1 square minus sine x square, because this is 1 square equals to number 1. Next, we have sine x square plus cosine x square equal to number 1. So we got about 1 minus sine x square equal to cosine x square. So we put this one in here. So we have cosine x and we have cosine x. We simplify in here, and you will got about 1 plus sine x over cosine x. Next, we have same common denominator, that's about cosine x. So we can put 1 plus sine x minus 1 over cosine x. Number 1 minus number 1, you got about 0. So you got about sine x over cosine x, and we got about tan x. That's the end. Thank you for watching.